Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. We'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels and current trend of the market. Please use this as a reference for deciding on your entry and exit on your trades. First we'll look at dollar index and then today's economic calendar, then we'll start the analysis. I'm in dollar index now. When we look at the current price action of the dollar index, yesterday it was in a very nice bullish trend and it couldn't break this resistance area which was around 95.86 to 95.72, and also we know that it was on a very nice downtrend and it gave breakout from this trend line or the resistance line, and currently when we notice it, the dollar index is moving on a sideways, and overall when we look at the price action, it has taken support on the bullish trend line from the higher time frame and it has not breached this support line or the trend line. So if it's not breached, we can expect it to continue its bullish trend. So to start its bullish trend, it has to break this resistance area. Let us analyze today's economic calendar. Today at 2:30 p.m. we'll have a high impacting news on British pound. Next at 3:30 p.m. we have a medium impacting news coming up, and from 7 p.m. we have a high impacting news on US dollar, and afterwards we have medium impact and low impact news also followed by it. So plan your trades based on this economic calendar. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, currently the price action is in a very nice bullish trend, and we already know that it is trading between the symmetric triangle pattern, and within this symmetric triangle pattern it is in a very nice bullish trend, and currently the price action is trying to test this resistance level of 1837. And when we look at this level, previously this level had been a neckline for the past price action, and when we look at the past price action also, whenever the price action tests this neckline, you can notice it here also, trend reversal had happened. So currently the price action is on a bullish trend to test this resistance level. So there are more chances when the price action tests this resistance level of 1837, a trend reversal to happen. If it breaches this level, this whole area is going to be a resistance area, which means there is going to be the trend line from the symmetric triangle pattern and neckline from the higher time frame also. So we can expect it to momentarily test this area and to return back. Only when the price action breaches this resistance level of 1853, we can expect the actual bullish trend reversal. Until then, we can expect the price action to take resistance at this trend line or take resistance at this neckline of the previous price action, then to bounce back on the bearish trend. But overall when we look at the current price action, it is in a very nice bullish trend. These are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it was previously trading within a bullish channel pattern, and I have drawn one more internal resistance or support line over here. Whenever the price action trades within these ranges, you can notice that it has bounced back. So this was acting as a very strong support previously, and it has breached this support zone and the bearish trend had started. Currently when we notice the price action, it is again retesting on this resistance zone now. Whenever the price action tests this area, we had noticed the price action taking a trend reversal. So currently also it is testing this area, so we can expect a trend reversal from this area on a bearish side. And moreover, this is the neckline from the past price action, so it is more likely that we can expect a trend reversal from this point. If it breaches this area, then we have the next level of resistance from the symmetric triangle pattern running over here. So there are several resistance area preventing the market from going on a bullish trend. Let us see how price action goes today. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in the blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame, and the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance from the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here I have drawn the trend line or the resistance line. It was on a very nice bullish trend, and currently the price action has taken resistance on this trend line and it is in a retracement. And when we look at the current price action, it is currently trading within the resistance area from the 4 hours time frame. This channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. I am expecting the price action to trade within this range and a bearish trend reversal to happen. It has to break the support level of 1825 to actually have a bearish trend reversal. Otherwise we can expect the price action to be trading on the sideways within this range. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action had a sideways movement and gave a bullish trend, and again it is in a sideways market. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect a further continuation of this bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it was in a very nice bullish trend and it had formed a very nice double top pattern, which means a trend reversal, and broke this trend line also. Currently the price action is moving on a sideways because there is less volume being traded right now. This trend line or the red color line is going to be acting as a very strong resistance in 5 minutes time frame. I have drawn another trend line or the support line over here. Whenever the price action breaches this support line, we can expect a downtrend to continue and taking support on this 30 minutes time frame trend line or the support line. If it breaches this trend line, we can expect it to take support on the higher time frame support level of 1825. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So the values within the blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is moving on a sideways and has tested this resistance level of 1834 and it is in a retracement. Only when the price action breaches this support line or the trend line, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair, which means you can go on a bearish side trade. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.